Hello, my beautiful hair friends. This is Danny. She is my old assistant, and now she is my friend. And you can see we are talking about, we're going to do some curtain bangs, and I'm moving her hair around. We're talking about the length. We're going to keep the length. I like her hair longer. I don't like it too short. So I just kind of nipped at the length a little bit, and now we're going all the way up to that little point right there at the top of the head. We're meeting all those long layers. Now I'm going to take all that hunk on the side. I am bringing it right up to that point, right up there. I'm taking that whole side, guys. And remember, you only have a little section right there. So now I'm coming in. I sectioned out the bang section, and I am going to do the top into that length that I established at the top. Now I got my Donald Scott razor out, and I am just slicing away at those bangs with that razor, and I'm molding it around to make sure it is doing this scoopy curtain bang, and I'm just slicing into those side bangs, and then I'm getting in and doing some razor action in the bang, chippy chopping all that out around the face, slicey dicing away. Well, now I'm gonna blow dryer and I'm gonna do the dry cut. And these are my Hikari shears and my razor, my Donald Scott razor. It's like a little chopstick, and I'm gonna use that like Kendra puffy spray stuff, and I'm gonna get some volume in there. I gave her some curls and waves, and guys, look how hot she looks. Va va voom. Danny. Don't forget to like, follow, and share, and links in the bio. Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the ding dong.